Once again, welcome to Genius Academy of Physics and Mathematics. This is Venkat Sundaram Natarajan. In this episode, we are going to learn fundamentals of physics module 2-1, that is position, displacement and average velocity problems. So 1, 2, 3 I will be solving here. Let us get into the problem. So question number 1. While driving a car at 90 km per hour, how far you move while your eyes shut for 0.5 seconds during a hard sneeze? So they have given clearly that speed is equal to 90 km per hour, but they are given the sneezing time in 0.5 seconds. So you have to convert this value to meter per second, so that you can multiply by 5 and divide it by 18. You will be getting it as 25 meters per second. So distance is equal to speed into time, that is 25 into 0.5 is equal to 12.5 meters you will be traveling during the sneezing period of 0.5 seconds. Now let us get into the second problem. Compute average velocity in the following two cases. You walk for 73.2 meters at a speed of 1.22 meters per second, and then you run for 73.2 meters at a speed of 3.05 meters per second along the straight path. So then B question is, you walk for 1 minute at a speed of 1.22 meters per second and then run for 1 minute at 3.05 meters per second along a straight track. Third question is, graph x versus t for both the cases and indicate how you could calculate the average velocity. Okay, so A and B I will be solving, and C is going to be a graphical one, which I may be posting it in the form of a graph, or else you have to do it by yourself. Just find the gradient alone. I will tell you at the last of this problem. So second question, they have given that speed is equal to 1.22 meters per second and distance covered is equal to 73.2 meters. Okay, in the same way, so then the total time taken here is 73.2 divided by 1.22, which is equal to 60 seconds. So speed 2 is 3.05 meters per second and d2 is same 73.2 meters. So that the total time for this case is 24 seconds. So that average speed is equal to total distance by total time, that is total distance is equal to 2 into 73.2 divided by 60 plus 24, okay, which is you will be having 1.74 meters per second. So t1 is equal to 60 seconds and t2 is equal to 60 seconds, whereas speed 1 is equal to 1.22 meters per second and speed 2 is 3.05 meters per second. So that the distance traveled in first case, okay, that will be equal to 60 into 1.22. distance traveled in second case is 60 into 3.05. Here you will be having 73.2 meters as if we saw in the first case, that is problem number 1. In second case we will be having 183 meters total distance. Here when we calculate the average speed, 73.2 plus 183 divided by 120 seconds, okay, will be equal to 2.135 meters per second is the final answer. C question, as I said, you have to draw a graph. Keep x axis as time, that is t, and y axis as displacement x. So say imagine you are getting a graph like this. Draw a gradient, okay. So x2, x1, t1, t2. The formula is x2 minus x1 divided by t2 minus t1. You will get the average speed. Okay, so now problem number 3. So an automobile travels a straight line in a road for 40 kilometers at 30 kilometer per hour. It then continues the same direction for another 40 kilometer at 60 kilometer per hour. What is the average speed of the car during the full 80 kilometer trip? Assume that it moves in the positive x direction. What is the average speed? That is B, and C is the graph one. So in the previous problem itself I might have told you how to solve the graphical one. A and B alone, here I will solve it. So A is S1 equal to, that is speed 1, 30 kilometer per hour, and distance traveled during that duration is 40 kilometers. In the second part it is 60 kilometer per hour, and the distance traveled there is 40 kilometers. Okay, so total displacement is 80 kilometers, and then we have to calculate time 1, that is 40 divided by 30 is equal to 4000. I am going to solve this in seconds. Okay, then only I can get an accurate answer, so that I am going to solve the problem in seconds. So I am going to solve this problem in SI unit, that is kilometers to meters, 40,000, and then divided by 30 kilometer per hour. So that kilometer per hour, if I want to change it, I have to make it like this, that is multiply by 18 by 5. I get the answer as 4,800 seconds. In the same way, T2 I will be getting like this, 40,000 into 18 by 5 into 60, that is I will get 2,400 seconds. So the average speed will be equal to 80,000 divided by 2,400 plus 4,800. I will be getting it as 7,200. So when I solve it, it is 800 divided by 72. I will be having 11.11 meters per second. Okay, so in the same way, when I convert this to kilometer per hour, I will be having on an average of 40 kilometer per hour average speed. In the same way, same velocity, because both the condition, the traveling is on the same direction, so that the displacement will be same, time traveled will be same, everything will be same, so that the same answer you will be getting it as 40 kilometer per hour in second condition also. And as well as third condition is graph, and that you have to do it by yourself. Yeah, so problem number 4, 5, 6 is going to be a homework. Try it out. If there is any query, put it in the comment box, and the link to join the WhatsApp group and the website link is available in the description box. Yeah, thank you. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. If you don't like, please press the thumbs down button. Thank you.